Hi all, here we will see some additional problems on functions. So the first problem, if f of x equal to 2x plus 4, then prove that f composite f inverse is equal to I, where I is the identity function. So how to find the inverse? Since we want to prove f composite f inverse, we want f inverse. So it is the inverse of f. So how to find the inverse of f? We already saw in the previous video. So swapping y as x, y equal to 2x plus 4. Here I replace y as x and x as y. And here I want to calculate y. That is my inverse of the given function. So y is equal to x minus 4 divided by 2, which is nothing but f inverse of x is equal to x minus 4 by 2. So we know that definition of identity function is f of x equal to x. So here this f composite f inverse is equal to, when we take this f function, when take the composite function of f inverse, we get I. So f composite f inverse is nothing but f composite f inverse of x. It is nothing but within the f we have to substitute f inverse. So on substituting within f, what is actually f of x? It is nothing but f of x equal to 2x plus 4. In 2x plus 4, I have to substitute, replace x as x minus 4 by 2. Now on simplification, finally we get it is x. So f composite f inverse of x is x. It is nothing but I. Second problem, let m be a positive integer. A relation R defined as set Z by A R B, that is A relation B, A related A R B, if and only if A minus B is a divisible by M for A comma B belong to Z. Show that R is an equivalence relation on set Z. So here we want to prove R is an equivalence relation. So what are the criteria where R has to satisfy in order to prove equivalence relation? R must satisfy reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Then we say that R is equivalence relation. So here what is the function given? It is A minus B is divisible by M. A or B if and only A minus B is divisible by M. So let us take first one. We are going to check for reflexive. So I take A belong to Z. Then the relation is A minus B is divisible by M. But I have taken only one letter, one element from A. So when I substitute A minus A, the value is 0, which is divisible by M. Therefore, we can write ARA, that is A related to A, holds for A belong to Z. A is reflexive to A. Therefore, R is reflexive. Second topic is A comma B belong to Z. A R B holds. Here, A minus B is divisible by M. Therefore, B minus A is also divisible by M. So here I can write for B minus A is also divisible by M can be written as B are related to A. Since A minus B is divisible by M, which implies B minus A is divisible by M, therefore this symmetric concept is satisfying. A R B implies B R A. Third one, we want to prove that it is transitive. That is A comma, let us take three elements A comma B comma C belong to Z. So the first one I can write it as A related to B and B related to C, both hold. Now A minus B is divisible by M and second one B minus C is divisible by M. If this is so, I can tell that A minus C, it must be divisible by M. So how to calculate A minus C? What is A? That is A minus B and the second term is B minus C. On solving, I get A minus C is divisible by M. Therefore, A are related to B and B related to C implies A related to C. Therefore, R is transitive. Since it satisfies all three conditions, now we say R is an equivalence relation on set Z. Third problem, show that the relation R is an equivalence relation in the set A 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by the relation R, set of all A, B, where A minus B is even. Now, the relation given is A, B, where A minus B is even. This A, B belongs to capital A. So what is the first, in order to prove this relation R is an equivalence relation, we have to check for reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Then only we are able to prove this equivalence relation. So the first one is reflexive property. So from the given relation, I am able to write, I have to select only one letter from A. That is A. Small a belongs to capital E. So when I substitute in the given relation, I get modulus of A minus A is equal to 0. 0 is always even. So this reflexive property is getting satisfied. So modulus of A minus A is even, where A, A belongs to R. Therefore, R is reflexive. Next property is we have to check for symmetric. So from the given relation, modulus of A minus B is equal to modulus of B minus A. So here, this from B minus A, I have to take minus outside. When I take minus outside, we know that modulus of A minus B can be taken. When you take minus outside, it is minus of B minus A. And the minus will disappear since it is in modulus. So it is nothing but modulus of B minus A. From modulus of A minus B, I can prove modulus of B minus A. So modulus of A minus B is even. Therefore, this modulus of B minus A is also even. If A, B belong to R, I can prove B, A also belongs to R. Since it is proving the symmetric concept, hence R is symmetric. The last one is transitive property. So if A modulus of A minus B is even, then A minus B is even. Similarly, if a modulus of B minus C is even, then I can tell this B minus C is also even. Sum of even numbers is also even. So can we write this A minus B plus B minus C on adding? So we get B and B will cancel. This should be even. It is nothing but A minus C, which is also even. So from A minus B and B minus C, I got A minus C is also even. So since these two are even, we got modulus of A minus C also even. Therefore, in relation, I can write A, B belong to R and B, C belong to R. From these two relation, I am able to write A, C belong to R. So this is the concept of transitive. Since it is satisfying all three conditions, the first one it is reflexive, second one it is symmetric, third one it is transitive. Therefore, this relation, the given condition modulus of A minus B, which is the relation R is transitive. So let us recall in the first problem we want to find out F composite F inverse which is equal to I. So with the help of F we found what is F inverse and we have proved this definition. And in the second problem by taking A minus B is a divisible by M, we have proved R is an equivalence relation on set Z. And we have checked all three properties. In third problem, for the relation, we have taken A, B and modulus of A minus B is even. By taking modulus of A minus B is even, we have verified all three properties, reflexive, symmetric and transitive, and we have proved that given relation is a equivalence relation. So thank you students.